Now, if you have questions about the video or more about the process to install it, please send me a personal message via YouTube, Twitter, or you might even be able to catch me on my Ustream broadcast, and the link is at the beginning and it will be at the end of this video too, so feel free to stop on by. I'll mainly be on Ustream every now and then. Twitter, I'll get pushed to my phone, so I'll try to respond as much as possible. But honestly, if you have any questions at all about it, message me, please. And I do hope you enjoyed the video, and please check out more of my links, and thanks a lot. One thing's first, you must make sure you have the right size screwdriver. When I was trying to install this or open up the door that I'm trying to now, when I first attempted that, I had the wrong size screwdriver, and I think I was starting to mess up the actual screw. So make sure first off that you have the proper screwdriver. Now that the door is removed, let's go ahead and slowly start the main process here. So there'll be two different ports for this. There's the actual card. It's about a few inches long. It's like any old RAM stick, just nothing too special. See, there it is again. And then when you have your iMac facing down with the screen part facing down, you want to install the RAM chip with the labels facing up. On the little foot, as it's called, on your iMac, there may be some little pictographs of how to install it also, if you have the aluminum and glass model. See, it does take a little bit of pressure though to put it in, and it might feel like you're gonna break it. Even though if it does feel like you're gonna break it though, you won't. So don't be afraid to add in a little bit of pressure. Just make sure you have it lined up properly first, because if you don't, then you really will break it. So, and then those little black tabs, if I was removing one there, I would be pulling on that black tab to remove the chip also. So now that I got it in, let's see how it responds when I boot it up. Now the first boot, since I had the RAM chip installed, I noticed a pretty, not dramatic, but I noticed a pretty big improvement on the boot time itself. It wasn't drastic and amazing, it was improved. It was noticeably improved. And I think, even though that's way out of focus, it'll help out my hard drive, especially in the end too. So if you're thinking about upgrading to a new larger stick of RAM, so to speak, do it, because it might save your hard drive in the end too, from having to rely on itself for that temporary memory. So there's my desktop. It all booted up within a couple seconds, so it wasn't too bad. There's the noticeable difference. And I got a few scripts running, so the scripts always, they'll take a while, because I had 8, I think, trying to load at once right there, and I had to end it. So let's see. After some violent camera shaking, look at that. 3 gigs, 667 DDR2 RAM.